Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how you can connect to your Wi-Fi router using the IP address 192.168.1.2. So the first thing you need to check is if you're correctly connected to your router. So here on the right, you can have a look on the settings. So as you can see, in my case, I'm connected to my TP-Link router. The second thing is we need to validate the IP address. So go here on the search bar, type in CMD for command prompt, and now type in ipconfig and press enter. And here in the default gateway, you can see the IP address. So you can just copy it, open any type of browser. In my case, it's Microsoft Edge. Go into the navigation bar and type in the IP address and press enter. As you can see, I am now at the login page to my router, and the standard login information for username and password is admin. So just type in admin, and the same for the password. Now click on login. Now you are successfully logged in to your router dashboard. On the left, you can change several changes. And if, for example, you want to change your IP address, you can go here on the network, click on the LAN, and you can change your IP address here in this bar. Once the IP is changed, you can just click on save, and then you can log out from the system settings. Okay, so that's everything for today. Hope this helps, and please do not forget to subscribe.